Hello friends, welcome to today's session on remuneration to partners. In today's session, you will be learning in detail about various aspects of remuneration given to a partner by a firm and also the passing of journal entries in the books of the firm. Watch this video till the end as important tips to avoid commonly made mistakes in the exam is given in this video. So let's start. Now, first point that we will understand is what is the purpose of giving remuneration to the partner. The purpose for giving remuneration to partner is that the partner is actually managing the affairs of the business. So for managing the affairs of the business, he is entitled to remuneration. So now let us take an example and understand it. Suppose there's a partnership firm with three partners, A, B and C. Suppose A is a very active partner. He takes care of the sales and finance. Then as he is active and he is totally involved in the affairs of the business, he's taking care of the sales and the finance part of the business, he is entitled to get remuneration for the efforts that is putting in, for the efforts of managing the affairs of the firm in such a manner. So that is the purpose behind a firm giving remuneration to a partner. Now, having understood that, let us understand when is remuneration to partner allowed. Remuneration to partner is allowed when it is provided in the partnership deed. So what is required is that you refer to the partnership deed and see whether there is a clause related to allowing in this particular form of remuneration, whether in the form of salary or commission or whatever form, whether that provision is there in the deed. So when there is provision in the deed that this particular partner has to get remuneration, then that would be the remuneration which would be given to the partner. So now the case arises. If there is no deed or the deed is there but it is silent, it doesn't talk about any remuneration to any of the partner, then will the partner get remuneration? That is a question. Now for this, the answer is a big no. If it is not provided deed, then the partner is not entitled to any remuneration, although he might be putting a lot of efforts and taking care of the affairs of the business, managing affairs of the business, and he might also wish to get remuneration. But he will not get if there is no deed, or if there is a deed and there is no provision where it allows a firm to give remuneration to the partner. So what is to be done in such cases? They have to get a deed done, or in the existing deed they have to include a provision. Thereafter, as per the provision, whatever is the remuneration which can be allowed as given the deed can be allowed by the firm to the partner. So when there is no deed or the deed is silent, remember, no remuneration can be allowed to a partner irrespective of how much of an effort he puts in. Then next, what are the different forms in which remuneration can be received? Remuneration can be received in the form of salary, or it can be received in the form of commission. Now when it is in the form of salary, here is a tip, important tip here. The amount that is given, please note whether the term per month or per annum is given after it. Sometimes the amount given is only 5,000. So without saying whether it is per month or per annum, you might multiply it by 12, but actually it might be per annum. So when it says per annum, only 5,000 has to be taken as remuneration. But if the word was say 10,000 per month, then you should multiply and the total remuneration which can be allowed would be 1,20,000. This is a commonly made mistake in urgency to finish the question. You read the question, the amount, you see the amount is smaller, you multiply by 12, assuming that it's per month. So it is not necessary. They can give a small amount as per annum as well. So be careful while reading this and accordingly allow salary to the partner. The next, related to commission, the commission will be provided as a percentage of net profit. Now here you will find two situations. They can give a percentage of net profit as before charging such commission. That is one case where the percentage is provided as before on the net profit before charging commission, or on the net profit after charging commission. So these are the two situations which you might encounter. For this, I am making a separate video with detailed discussion and calculation of the formulas will be discussed in detail in that video. So please stay tuned for my upcoming video, which will be on commission which is given to a partner and its computation. Now further, once you have understood now that these are the different forms in which the remuneration can be given to a partner, finally you need to know whether this remuneration which is allowed to partners is an appropriation or a charge. I discussed in the previous video about interest on partners loan being a charge against profit. Means item of charge going to your profit and loss account. And also I have discussed about interest on capital and interest on drawings in separate videos where those were all normally treated as appropriation of profit. Now where does the appropriation go? The appropriation items go into the profit and loss appropriation account. Now the question is whether this remuneration given either in the form of salary or commission is an appropriation or a charge. It is to be kept in mind that such a remuneration which is given to a partner is an appropriation of profit, not a charge. Therefore, where will it go? It will go into your profit and loss appropriation account. So this is how you are going to, this is the accounting treatment of remuneration which is given to a partner. I hope it is clear. Now we will learn the journal entries that you would be passing. Now there are two journal entries that you will be passing for recording the remuneration when it is allowed to a partner. First journal entry would be for allowing that remuneration. So this is being given by the firm to the partner. So it is allowed by the firm to the partner and therefore it is a nature of an expense for the firm and therefore you would debit the partner's salary or commission account debit, whichever form, and would get credited to their capital or current account. Why capital or current account? If fluctuating method used, then it is credited to capital account. But if the firm is following fixed capital method, the amount of remuneration is credited to the current account of the partners. So this is the journal entry you pass when you're allowing remuneration. The next one more entry you will have to pass to close out this particular remuneration account. So for that, as has been discussed previously in the fourth point, that it is an appropriation item. So profit and loss appropriation account is debited and the salary or commission which was debited in the previous entry is credited and closed out. So these are the two journal entries which will be passed for the purpose of recording the remuneration which is given to a partner. So I hope this session was useful to you. If you found this video useful, please do like and share it, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel so that you will be getting continued notifications of all the upcoming videos. And as I've already said, I will be making further videos on commission to a partner in detail where I'll be discussing about the formulas that you would be using under different situations and how you would be computing the commission. So please stay tuned, please subscribe to the channel and have a great day. Thank you.